A FASTQ file is a text file that contains sequence information and quality information. So if we look at the quality information in here, we see few alphabets, then less than sign, dash, hash sign, etc. So if this is the quality score, then how could we read it? So to read the quality score, we can calculate it with the Python function. So we will see how to calculate the quality score in a readable format. So there are PHRED quality score. So here are two versions actually, PHRED 33 and PHRED 64. This is the formula to calculate the quality score. So what we see here, these actually are the ASCII characters. So let's introduce ourselves with the ASCII character. So we may know there are 128 ASCII characters, that is from 0 to 127. So if we print all the ASCII characters, that is from 0 to 127, we will get this result. Just look at the result. We don't have any characters from 0 to 32. Then we have the first character, that is the exclamatory sign that starts from 33. So if we look at the PHRED 33, it starts with the exclamatory sign and it will ends at the position 73, that is here, and it contains the capital I. So PHRED 33, it contains exclamatory sign to I, all these characters, and it express its quality scores with these characters. And if we talk about the PHRED 64, so here at the 64, it starts with the @ sign and it will continue to 104, that is the small h. So now why we can't see some character that is from 0 to 32, those are actually non-printable characters, and they can be actually none, tab characters, ESC character, del character, what we use actually. So those are for the action or controlling for devices. Now here we have the formula. We write the formula with a lambda function here. So we will take a input value q, that is our quality score, and it will calculate the probability of error, that is how much base call incorrectness in there. So our function name is probe error. If we run the function, then probe error and then our input, that is q. If we think the q equal 1, then it will be 0.79. So this is the error. Now if we print the PHRED score, then the probability error and every PHRED character and PHRED 64 character, then if you look at here, you can see when our score is 0, our probability error is approximately 1, and if we go down, that is if our PHRED score is getting higher, then our error is getting lower. That means how much our score will be high, our probability of error, that is base call incorrectness, will be low. So we will expect the high score. Now now we will see how to calculate these these ASCII characters. We can convert into the quality scores. So I just read the last line, that is this line with Python here. So to continue, let's familiarize with two functions. That is, in Python we have a odd function. So what does odd do? It actually takes the ASCII character or Unicode character as the input and convert its numeric format or ordinal number. So odd means ordinal, and if we want to know the corresponding ASCII character or Unicode character, then we can use the CHR function. So CHR function, it actually takes an integer number and it convert it into ASCII character. So here our quality score is in ASCII format. We will use the odd function. So this one, we will use the odd function to convert it into quality scores. So now if we write the code then and print the result, then it will be our quality scores. So we can see 37. So this is the high score, and first base, that is 2, it has low score, and we have 41. Those are actually high score. Now we want to confirm that what we read that actually correct. So here we will use the biopython. So we, with the biopython function, we just, this is our sequence name, and we are with by letter annotation, by using the letter annotation method, we can extract the quality, actually pH quality, and we will just see if they are same or not. If we print, these actually the quality scores got from the biopython, and these are original quality scores, so those are same. Now what we will do, we will try to convert these quality scores into our pH rate 33 and pH rate 64 format. So to do this, we will iterate over the so first we will convert it into pH rate 33. To convert, we are iterating, then we will take the quality score, then we have to add. So if we want to convert it into pH rate 33, then we will plus 33 here, so now if we want to print it, we can print. I'm joining it so it looks nice. Okay, I have made a mistake here. It should be parenthesis. Okay, so these our PhD 33 scores, it actually this one. And now if we want to convert this into the PhD 64 format, we can do that also. Just what we need to do, we have to change this one, that is we need to plus 64 in here. And now if we print the result, so this one, so for this quality scores, these ASCII characters is in PhD 33 format, and these are actually in the PhD 64 format. I think you have found this video helpful. Happy learning. Thank you.